I guess you remember this one. I made a video about it and apparently 105,000 people watched it, which is great. Anyway, today is Set the World on Fire Day because it's excruciatingly hot. I have decided, because it's going to be vacation time, to buy something new. Look, I bought a DJI Neo. DJI Neo? No. I have a DJI Neo and I bought a DJI Mini 5 Pro. So yeah, you've already seen this one. I now have this one. This one has a battery life which is longer than the Neo, so I'm gonna lift this one off first. Okay. Anyway, this is the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Shall we see how good it can follow my bike? How do I do that? I need to record first of all, which I didn't do. And now I'm going to do activetrack. Now we're going to turn on the Neo. And we're going to set this one up as well. Follow, medium, high. And then just... There we go. Okay, so the advantage of the Neo is it's just quicker. So I can just do this, tell it to go over here, stay there, and of course then your drone's flying, and it's also recording now, if I'm correct. Yes, it is. So the Mini 5 Pro, well, that takes a little bit more work to set up, but damn, it's warm. It's like scorching hot, 29 degrees in the shade. So let's see if the Neo will follow me and the Mini 5 Pro as well. The Mini 5 Pro says, fuck you, I'm not gonna follow you. You can drive away. Also, I'm afraid that the controller is not properly set. So let's yeah, it holds this point, so let's have it track me. This is automatic movement. Great. We're gonna go over here on the side because I don't want it to be interfering with the Neo, who is behind me, and it should track me up to 50 kilometers an hour. Well, the Neo is definitely not gonna be able to keep that momentum. Also, that controller, I'm not sure how good that mount is, to be honest, because I 3D printed it. And of course I don't want to lose it on the first ride. Okay, I can see that the Mini 5 Pro is doing a very good job. Okay, let's go a little bit faster. Maybe I should put that controller somewhere else. Okay, I do not know where the Neo is at the moment. It's still behind me, doing a great job. And the Mini 5 Pro is in front of me at the moment. So if anybody has a good mount for on a motorcycle for this thing, that would be very much appreciated. Okay, my Mini 5 Pro is still following me, and my Neo as well. Oh, that Mini 5 Pro. I'm very curious how that is gonna look. Oh, ooh, that was a... Oh, the controller's still stuck. Let's see, is the Neo following me? Mini 5 Pro is doing also a great job. Very curious to see a bit of a quality difference. I'm going 70 kilometers an hour now. 69. This is a little bit more flat, so it's definitely going to be easy for the Mini 5 Pro, but the Neo has 100% lost me. So yeah, cool. You can see the Neo hang around. See if it picks me up. Yeah, it found me again. Flying backwards. Look at him go. And that the Mini 5 Pro is just doing an amazing job, to be honest. Oh, slippery. Yeah, I'm gonna go give the controller to Jonne, then I can just drive without having to be afraid that I'm gonna lose it. Because if she stays there, well, the drone has such a big range, it should easily be able to Neo still following me? I don't know. Where's the Neo? Oh, the Neo is over there. Hello, buddy. You're gonna fly into my helmet? I mean, I'm not sure the quality difference, so I need to figure that one out. But that Neo is really just, it's such a good drone. It's just that battery life though. That battery life. If it was only like 20 minutes plus or minus, that would have been such a good, that would have been so great. And that Mini 5 Pro, oh, I like this shit from both sides getting filmed. But I do need to move the Mini 5 Pro because there's a tree over there. So let's see, can I put it, it's gonna go in front of me now, I think. And then over to the left side. But that's such a big unit compared. Oh, where are you gonna go, buddy? That is, yeah, it's quite a unit compared. So let's give the controller to Jonne and have the Mini 5 Pro go over there. Maybe a little bit more to the front-ish. Can you hold it? Because I'm a bit afraid when it falls off, if I go too fast. Okay, let's see, Mini 5 Pro, stay high because you're going very low. The Mini, the Neo. Okay, let's see. And, well, the Neo, I lost it already, most likely. But the Mini 5 Pro is also gone. Yep. I lost both of them already. Might have been a little bit too quick for them to catch up. So let's see. Ah, there's the Mini 5 Pro. But of course the Mini 5 Pro... Are you following me? What are you doing, buddy? Oh, it might actually be Jonne that's doing stuff. I can see the Neo over there. He's just very confused, it seems. Neo is coming towards me now, very slowly. Okay, the Neo is done. because I can hear it beeping. Come on. Beep, beep. Yeah, that one's done. But the Mini 5 Pro is hanging there. And I think if I make him follow me, there we go. So DJI Neo. Turn it off. Let's put it over here. And yeah, I mean, again, this is the easy part about the DJI Neo. You just basically click a button and easy piece of lemon squeezy. So, hi. Where are you going? Cool. Hi.
But if you're further away than 50 meters, it loses. It doesn't do it.
Okay.
So whenever.
Oh, you stopped recording as well.
No, I didn't.
Well, it wasn't recording anymore. Now it's recording. So if it's not recording, it also won't follow. You have to turn on the recording to make it follow. Now it's following me.
It was following you before as well.
Okay. Alright. We have made a video about DJI Mini 5 Pro. The camera quality is very nice, to be honest. Anyway, it is hot. Can't see it probably. It won't, yes. 29 degrees at the moment while moving. So I'm gonna stop the video for now and see how this has been, how this turned out. So if you like this video, subscribe down below, leave it a like, don't forget that one as well. Leave a comment, do you want to see a comparison, something else? This video was a full battery for the Mini 5 Pro that was just fully charged. No ND filters because I didn't put one on. I do have them, but I forgot to put it on, to be honest. Basically out of the box settings, nothing has been changed. Yeah, that's what we did. So, peace out, love you all, adios.